Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Linktree for affiliate marketing step by step. So if you want to maximize commissions earned from affiliate marketing programs, using Linktree provides a powerful advantage. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be covering how you can sign up for a Linktree account, customizing visually compelling themes, how you can integrate your affiliate links from major networks, and more. So let's get right into the video. Starting things off, we want to head over to linked.re and then sign up for a totally free account. You will be asked to provide basic details such as the preferred username, an email address, and your password. Confirm your email address when prompted, and then you will have completed your registration. With the sign up finished, you will have access to your central Linktree dashboard for managing the look, feel, and functionality across your public profile. After that, we will have to customize things to have our Linktree landing page stand out from the rest of the competition. While Linktree handles the technical side, allowing multiple clickable links, dedicating time towards visual design polish maximizes your own perceived brand legitimacy and consequently the conversion rates. So start by setting a consistent color theme that matches affiliated sites or channels using the Appearance tab. And then after that, we want to upload our own profile picture, a cover image, or a logo that share cohesive styles, and these set the first impressions for your brand. For choosing a compelling theme, preview the templates under the Settings tab. Some of the themes require upgraded tiers which cost money, but many aesthetically pleasing options exist even for free users. And if you're driving traffic from an Instagram business account, then select themes featuring layered graphics or influencer style branding to seamlessly blend. And finally, craft a catchy profile name and bio communicating your niche or offerings. And this will help inform visitors instead of feeling random. With the imagery, colors, and fonts aligned to consistent branding, your credibility gets a major boost. Driving traffic to your Linktree is pointless unless profiles compel visitors towards taking action. And since scrolling fatigue sets in quickly on mobile, placing affiliate links higher increases visibility and response potential. Always reserve the bottom spots for lower priority items. Next up, thoughtfully title each link, clearly communicating intended offers without feeling salesy. Consider sequencing complementary services in logical paths. For example, I would be promoting a VPN service, for example, at first, and then a password manager, and then a cloud storage. You may sequence them as above, since privacy-conscious consumers perhaps need all three of them at once. Additionally, embed clickable images to help distinguish options for scanners. But don't solely rely on pictures, always include descriptive titles as well. And finally, prominently highlight any active promotions like discounted pricing or temporarily increased affiliate commission rates. The urgency triggers response. Follow the structure blueprint for affiliate Linktree conversion success. At its core, Linktree serves as an affiliate link traffic router, so integrating deals from major partner programs becomes essential for monetization. Sign up directly with networks like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, ShareASale, and more to access product listing links or banner or text ads associated with your approved account. Browse category catalogs and create items matching your Linktree niche that offers compelling affiliate perks like attractive baseline commission rates, frequent payout boosting bonuses, high-ticket products exceeding $100 plus price points, and then copy the necessary link formats required from networks, usually either specific product URLs or code-embedded banners, and then return to Linktree dashboard and paste codes into new links following our structure above for catchy titles and supporting visuals. Enable tracking if available. And then as traffic hits your offers and completes desired actions like purchases or lead form fills, both Linktree and networks should independently register activity for calculating your owed commissions. And this completes the dynamic affiliate funnel, now captures and routes audiences towards the best deals that you have offered. Assuming you have existing social followings like on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc., it's time to start posting the direct link to your own Linktree periodically when discussing relevant topics. For example, if you're writing about helpful applications to college students, then you want to organically mention your Linktree, showcasing useful services in naturally conversational tones. Adding the Linktree URL visibly on current websites and blogs, email lists, profiles, etc. stacks discoverability sources, earning incremental exposures that compound traffic over time. Eventually, consider a dedicated Linktree landing page explaining your offerings and value prop while linking off to your profile. You want to rank this organically through SEO as well. And with multiple channels actively endorsing your Linktree, tapped commissions directly scale with increased visits. I hope that you found this Linktree for Affiliate Mastery walkthrough valuable. If you did, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.